Great. Now, lean forward a little bit, set your props to the side, your blanket or your block, push those out of the way, and come into all four position. We're setting up for cat-cow pose here. So once you're at all fours, push your right foot back, push it way, way back behind you, lifting it off the ground, just getting some blood back into the knees and hips. Bring that knee back down to the floor. Lift the left leg out, push it way back. Really stretch out, bring the left knee back to the floor and switch. Right leg up, push it back behind you, bring it back. Left leg, push it behind you, bring it back. Yogis, yoginis, let's start cat-cow pose. Hand placement. Hands are just in front of the shoulders, slightly wider than the shoulders, and they're lightly clawing into your mat like you're digging up beach sand. Knees directly beneath the hips. Inhale, lift the chin, look forward, pull back on the hands to draw the chest through, coming into cow pose. Exhale, drop the chin, push into the hands, lift the mid back, the upper back, really, really hunching the back. Then inhale, come through once more, smooth movements, pull back on the hands, draw the chest through. Exhale, dipping the head, arching the back, pushing into the hands, Halloween cat pose. Do 3 more on your own, or perhaps more than 3 if you have more time than that before we move into Tadasana next. So the work here, I should even say the play, is to make the breath as smooth as the movements. Keep the face soft, just moving from that point of inner stillness. Just enjoying this time to be in your body, move through your body. Just enjoying the fullness of breath. Really big inhales, really big exhales. Come on back to the hands and knees position. Lift the right leg out behind you. Really push back and push back so much that the right hip maybe even lifts up a little bit. Now neutralize the hips. Lower the right hip by pulling the navel in toward the spine and really pulling everything into that right hip. And you'll see that it lowers a little bit. Now inhale, lift up the left hand. Pause here. Next inhale, swing the left hand out to the left, right hand to the right. Keep the navel hugging in the whole time. Exhale, come on back to central position. Inhale, keep the navel hugging in, swing out to the sides. Exhale, come on back. Inhale, out to the sides, keeping the hips level. Exhale, coming back. Bring the knee back down. Bring the left hand back down. Pause here. Now inhale. Bring the left leg back behind you. Push way, way, way back with that heel. And now draw the navel in to lower the hip, the left hip, and pull everything into the hips. Inhale, bring the right arm out. Hold here, get your balance here. Next inhale, swing the right arm out to the right, left leg to the left. Exhale, come on back. Inhale, out to the sides. Exhale, bring it back. Last one. Inhale, out to the sides. Exhale, really pull that navel in. Bring it back. Rest the leg, rest the hand. While we're here in this position, let's work on some arm and shoulder strengthening. A quick description first. We did these in class on Sunday. These are the cow dips where we start in all fours position. On an exhale, we're going to come forward, keeping the hips high, bringing the chin toward the ground. On an inhale, come back up. We're going to try for 12 of these. If these are a little easy for you this week, you can also try a standard push-up, keeping the elbows into the side. So not the wide push-up, but the narrow push-up. So let's begin. All fours position. Take a slight cow dip of the back. Exhale, come forward, bringing the chin to the ground. Inhale, back up. Exhale, coming forward, keeping the neck long and comfortable. Inhale, push back up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, come back up, resting whenever needed. Exhale, coming forward, neck long. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, coming forward. Inhale, back up. Keep a still, steady mind. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back up. Exhale, forward and down. Inhale, pushing up. Exhale, forward. Inhale. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back up. 3 more. Exhale, forward and down. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up. Last one. Exhale, forward. Inhale, come back up. You might want to come to a kneeling position and just shake the wrists out a little bit. Bring some juice back into the wrists.